Oh! Oh! I can't. Ah! No more! No more! No! It's too much, mga kaunggay! This is... Yung kapangyarihan ni Banana Man is just... It's not enough para dito sa video na ito, mga kaunggay.
Yo, I hit the jewel, I got some goals. I sold a little weed, but I could never sell my soul. And when I'm in LA, you find me out in Lil Toe. Come up, Boca with my ramen, I'ma need another bowl. Let's go.
Haha, Michael! It's me, your boy, Banana Man! So ngayon, mga kaunggoy, may nakita akong mga YouTubers na nag-react dito. It's called My Heart Went Oops TikTok. So, basically, yung mga My Heart Went Oops TikTok is yung mga, alam niyo yun, yung mga babae. So, una, naka-t-shirt sila, tas pagtalon nila, medyo revealing na ang clothes nila. That's basically it. Kung tatanungin nyo, bakit hindi si Manong Jireh ang magre-react dito sa My Heart Went Oops? Nakita niyo yung nangyari kay Cong?
Ang kapal mukha mo nga!
Anong gusto mong gawin ko?
Ang laki ng dede!
Grabe naman
Halatang
talaga!
sa dede ka tumitingin, pwede
putang
naman
ina!
ako lipstick!
Paano mo hindi makikita?
And we all know, Manong Jireh, if Manong Jireh reacts, all hell will break loose, ladies and gentlemen. So, I've taken the liberty to, cover for Manong Jireh Mago. So, tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari. Ano ba to? Para ba to? Ay, oo nga. So, para hindi lalo alam niyo yun, mga kaunggoy, all hell will break loose. Kasi, Banana Man is a man. And, may mga babae magsasabi, ba't ka nagre-react dyan? Discriminating. So, Banana Man, let's transform. I'm not Banana Man anymore. I'm Banana Girl, Banana Woman. Where's my tatas? Where's my puppies here? Wala pa. It's getting in my mouth, ladies and gentlemen. Ah, Mago, help Mago. Where are you, Mago? So, Banana Girl will react to this. And, paano ba nila ginagawa to? Wala lang, react lang. Yun lang. Actually, hindi ko alam kung paano to gawin eh. So, we're just go with the flow. Ay, by the way, bakit namin gagawin tong My Heart Went Oops react? Wait till the end of the video. Something awesome, the best My Heart Went Oops meme video TikTok makikita nyo. Just wait till the end, Mago. Why are even women doing this? Okay. Is this for the views, ladies and gentlemen? I mean, I don't know. I'm a woman, so I clearly understand they want to show their they want to show their confidence and whatever. And I'm Banana Girl. I mean, I don't even get it. Why are ladies doing this? Bakit nila ginagawa ito? Do they need the approval of other people, mga kaunggoy? Kailangan ba nila maramdam na approved sila, na welcome sila sa TikTok community? Kaya nila ginagawa ito kasi trending? I don't know! Banana Girl nga pala. Ay, hindi. Banana Girl nga pala. What? Alam niyo kung bakit si Banana Girl ang magre-react na to? Kasi pag si Banana Man magre-react na to, ito ang mangyayari. Haha! Mago! Banana Man here! With a rockstar hair! Meron akong tissue ngayon, ladies and gentlemen. Banana Man! He's gonna enjoy this reaction, ladies and gentlemen. Mango, shut up! So, Banana Girl back here. Putik. Girl, ang ganda mo, sis! Oh! Wow! Ganun ba yung mga gusto niyong mga, Actually, hindi ko na alam talaga mga kaunggoy. I don't know what the point is. May mga gumawa nito, nag-react sila sa My Heart Went Oops. And I don't know what to say. I'm just reacting to this, mga kaunggoy. I mean, I'm just reacting, mga kaunggoy. Wala lang. It's, you know, it's for the content and it's for the trending ngayon. So, we're gonna stick to whatever's trending. We're gonna stick to, you know, for the views para sumikat kami. It's trending, so we have to stick to the trend. So, ladies, kung trip nyo gumawa nito, then, trip nyo yan eh. Bahala kayo sa buhay nyo. It's your TikTok account. Do whatever the hell you want. Just ingat-ingat lang mga ladies. Kasi alam nyo, may mga siraulo dyan sa mga tabi-tabi. Kaya, watch it. Banana Man, will you please come back? Ikaw na mag-take over nitong video na ito.
Wala ka ng tete.
Oh, Michael, I'm back! Banana Man here. And ngayon, we're gonna react to, tapos na yung section ng video na ito. Ngayon, magre-react tayo sa pinakamagaling at pinakamalupit. The best My Heart Went Oops TikTok video of all time. This tops everything. Walang makakatalo dito sa video na ito dahil ito yung pinaka malupit. This is legend tier, the greatest My Heart Went Oops video in the universe and all of mankind. Alright, hanapin natin. This one, ladies and gentlemen. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong pinakamalupit na video na My Heart Went Oops video. This is the best there is, the best there was, and the best there will ever will be. Ito yung pinakamalupit. Walang makakatalo dito. Legendary na to. Legend tier. Immortal to. Grab a tissue and grab your airbag kasi baka bumilis yung tibok ng puso nyo ng sobra-sobra pag napanood nyo to. Kasi ito yung pinakamalupit. I'm warning you, I'm giving you 3 seconds to pause this video para kumuha na kayo ng mga pangpakalma ninyo. Basta kung ano man yung pangpakalma para sa inyo. Kunin nyo na, 3 seconds, alright?
Wala ka ng tete.
3, I'm warning you, ladies and gentlemen. 2, kids, sumanda na kayo. 1, eto na. Okay, mga kaunggoy, re-reactan na natin. Okay, prepare to be mesmerized. This is the best.
My heart went.
Uy! Oh! Oh God! Oh my! Ah! Oh! Oh! I can't take it. It's too awesome. My heart can't take it. My heart just went oops. Hindi ko kaya, mga kaunggoy. I can't take it no more. You all have to go on without me, mga kaunggoy. Let's watch it again. You guys need to watch this without me. Hindi ko kaya.
My heart went.
Uy! Oh! 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 I can't. Ah! No more! No! It's too much, mga kaunggoy. This is yung kapangyarihan ni Banana Man is just, it's not enough para dito sa video na ito, mga kaunggoy. My power is drained. Kailangan ko tapusin yung video na ito, hindi ko na kaya. Kung gusto mo makita tong legendary man, this man right here, this legend right here, click the link down below. Yung channel niya, mga kaunggoy, nasa description. Subscribe to him, watch his videos. Why? And that's the bottom line because Banana Man said so. End screen na pala, nandito yung mga subscribe here, nandito yung videos. I've lost the will to go on.